Okay, here we'll discuss how to file the return in GST portal through SMS. Okay, to file the nil return form in GSTR 3B through SMS, the taxpayer must fulfill the following condition. First, they must be registered as normal taxpayer or casual taxpayer, SEZ unit, SEZ developers. Okay. The second condition is that they must have a valid GSTIN. Any taxpayer, usually they are having their GSTIN number, and any person who want to file nil return, they should also have this valid GSTIN number. Number 3, the phone number of authorized signatory is registered on the GST portal. Mean without the phone number, it will not be valid. You have to register on the GST portal for the phone number of authorized signatory. The fourth one, there is no pending tax liabilities for previous tax period, interest or late fees. There should be no liabilities for the previous period, so that you can file nil return for the current period. Fifth condition is that all GSTR 3B return for the previous tax period are filed. Until and unless for the previous period you have not filed, then you cannot go to file for the current period. You have to file the previous period. Until all the previous period has been filed, then the current period can be filed through SMS. Number 6, no data should be in safe stage for GSTR 3B on the GST portal related to that respective month. That means all the GSTR 3B should not be in the safe state. That means it should be in the final stage or of return submitted. The status should be return submitted. It not be in the safe stage. Okay. And the last one, the nil form GSTR 3B can be filed any time on after the first of the subsequent month for which the return is to be filed. That means you can file for the month of, suppose for the month of February, you can file right from the first of the subsequent month. That means first from February. No need to wait till the 20th to file the GSTR 3B. You can file right from the first of the subsequent month, right from the beginning of the subsequent month. Next, we'll discuss who can file nil return. Who are the person who can file nil return? A registered person who has not made any outward supply. If there is no outward supply, you can file nil return. Or if do not have registered person who do not have any reverse charge liabilities. The third is that they do not intend to take the ITC. If there is any ITC, if they do not want to take the ITC credit, input tax credit, then you can go ahead filing the return through SMS. But if you want to take the credit, then you cannot file the return through SMS. You have to file it through the GST portal itself. If you want to take credit, you have to go to file normally by logging into the GST portal. But if you do not want to take the ITC or credit, you can proceed ahead with filing with the SMS facility of filing the return. The fourth one, if a registered person do not have any liability for that particular or previous tax period, is the same thing. If you have any liability for the previous period, you cannot file return through SMS, through messaging service. Okay, but if you do not have any liability, you can go ahead filing the return. Now, how to file the return through SMS? We'll proceed with this, and I'll discuss here the step. The step to file this return, the step is send SMS to 14409 to file the nil form GSTR3B. What you have to do, you take your mobile, registered mobile, take your mobile and type in the SMS, type SMS as follows: nil, capital N, capital I, capital L, then give space, then return type, whatever return type is there, you want, whatever return you want to file, you type the return type, then give space, then your GSTN number, then space, then return period. Example I've given here, you type in SMS NIL, give space, then if you want 3B to file 3B, then you type 3B, then space, and then type the GSTIN number, your GSTIN, whatever GSTIN number you have, you type here, and then give space, and then the return period. If it is February 2019, you write 02 2019. Is March 2019, you write 03 2019. Or if it's in June 2020, you write 06 2020. Okay. Now after sending this, after typing this message, you will send to which number? To 14409. After typing this message, you send this message to the number 14409, and once you send this message, you will get the code. You will get a code from GSTIN. You will get a code, and you again go to message and then type CNF space return type space and code. Code you will receive here after sending the first message. You will receive a code. Okay, this code you will use in sending another message by typing CNF space 3B space, and you enter the code as you have received. Send that message again to the same number 14409, and the third reply will, the second reply will come that your message has been, your return has been successfully filed. Okay. Now for filing GSTR1 and GSTR3B, filing of GSTR1, you can get the assistant by typing help R1 or help 3B to the number 14409. If you type help R1 and send to 14409, you will get a message how to file GSTR1. And if you type help 3B and send to message 14409, you will get a message how to file the return 3B. Okay. And then the same process for filing GSTR1 and for GSTR3B also, you have to just follow the format of the message to be sent to 14409. To file this GSTR1, what you have to do, you have to type NIL space R1 space your GSTIN number, and then the period for which the return is to be filed. 04/2020 means April 2020. Okay. For 3B, the same thing, you have type NIL space 3B space GSTIN space the period which you want to file, and send this message to 14409. Once you have sent this message, you'll get verification code. The next step is that you type CNF space R1 F for register 1, 3B for filing GST 3B, and enter the code which you have been received. Once you send this message to the same number 14409, your return has been filed for that period. Okay.